Hey guys, you're watching Tech Only, and today we are going to unbox a you can say Gorillapod, or someone still calls it tripod, but that's fine. We are going to unbox a Gorillapod today, which is a very cheap Gorillapod, and I just wanted to show you that whether it's worth it or not. So let's unbox it, and without breaking the shipping tag. Because sometimes we need to return it, and the buyer, sorry, the seller should also get a clean return. Okay, so I unboxed it a little, and here comes our product. Woohoo! So here's a 100 rupees cashback promotional offer card. I don't know, we'll see it later on. There's nothing inside the box. So this is our Gorillapod, and unbox it very nicely. No, just leave it like this. Okay, so I have finally took it out, and there's one more thing, which is an extra thing which I'm getting for the cameras. You can see here that the DSLRs can also be attached to this. Also your phone can be attached to this. This is pretty good. Most of the Gorillapods does not come with this extension, but this one is nice. And you can see here, you can easily attach it. Okay, you can attach it and it becomes useful. Okay, now you can just turn around it. So this is what the beauty of the Gorillapod, that you can just put it on any shape. You can see I put it like this. If I want to record like this. So this is pretty much it. And yes, so the thing is that I'll shoot some videos with this and will keep you guys posted, so that you can have an idea that whether it's worth it or not. Because currently now I'm recording from my phone, and right now I cannot shoot it with this. But sure, I'll post a video regarding this. So this was just the unboxing thing, and we will talk later for if it is worth it or not. So yes, that's pretty much, guys. If you are new, then just subscribe to my channel for more videos, and also like this video if you are satisfied with my worst unboxing. So we are aiming for 100 likes. Yes, so please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.